This LED work light has turned out to be pretty cool. But first, before I show you the LED work light, let me show you the Dewalt 20-volt batteries. We have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these. We love these things. They're great. They have the battery indicator on it. They plug into our weed eater and our blower, and now they plug into our light. Let me open this up and show you this in here in the house, inside the house, and then I'll take it outside in the dark, and it's just pretty cool. So here's the user manual. Very, very easy to install. All the features are talked about right here, all the warnings, that sort of thing. It's great. It's fine. Whatever. Okay, now let's get to the actual light. I'm just going to point out a few of the highlights, and then I'm going to take it outside. So first of all, it's lightweight, but it feels sturdy. All this heat sinking material on the back is going to dissipate heat off of it, and it really does do a great job. Plus they're LED lights, so they're not going to get that hot anyway. But you know, anytime you plug into big batteries, they can get hot, so that's a great plus. All right, 16 LED bulbs, very bright. You've got 2 light settings. There's, I guess, low and high. I have not noticed a drastic difference between the two, so I'm actually going to run it on low unless I really need it, which is actually great because it's quite a bit of light even on low. All right, let's just actually plug this thing in. Really simple. Bam, we are installed. It's got a swivel. It's got a hook. The hook has lots of different dimensions on it, so it's actually going to be functional. There's some hooks that just slide around. You can't ever get it centered. This is a good hook. And then there's 2 switches. This is huge. If you don't have the second switch, which is on the left, you're going to be draining slowly from the battery if it's left on there. This, however, will not, because you can turn it off, and then the second switch turns it to low and then high. So 2 switches, great deal. Most of them don't have 2 switches. This one does. Really like that. It is 4,800 lumens on high, which is crazy bright, and we'll see that in a little bit. Other than that, the best feature is the fact that you can actually plug your phones and iPads and stuff like out on the workstations, out on the work site. You can plug it right into the side of this battery. So this side has the switches, but the other side of the light has the USB port and the USB-C port. That is super cool. I'm loving that. All right, here's what it looks like. And now we just got to take it outside. Okay, we are outside, and it's dark for now. That's on low, though, and then that's high. So it's definitely brighter high, but it's not so much brighter. So again, I'm going to run it on low quite a bit. But I'm just going to walk around a little bit. Can let you see the property. This is our chicken coop, and it is like going beyond the chicken coop, beyond this first level of fencing and roses and stuff, and then like the light just penetrates really deep. So love this thing. I did mention earlier that the light swivels, and that's a cool feature. It also, and it swivels like left and right 360, but also front and back, so up and down. So if you're working on your car or something, that's really helpful. So again, I'm going to turn it off here. Once you see the difference, once we turn it on, boom, there you go, boom. It's good. This is a great light. You know what really surprises me is how expensive the name brand light is. And this feels like quality, looks like quality. We've been using it just for a day, but it really, I don't expect any problems with this thing. This really feels like it's manufactured well, and it is bright, and it is just great. So anyway, again, I'm just gonna walk around the property. Long video, sorry, but I want you to see it. So here we are shooting over into my neighbors. I mean, that's like 30, 40 yards, guys. I mean, that's not a short throw. And it is lighting up the woods. So, wow. There we go. All right. So, yeah, highly recommend it. Again, 4,800 lumens, floodlight. Very, very glad to have this in the arsenal. This was given to me for an honest review, and that's my honest review. I think it throws a great light, and long distance, it's great.